is the hairline. It's a Trek that is stitched underneath, so it's a seamless like roll here. And yeah, I took out the adjustable strap. I took out the front of my hair, and I have to take out a little bit more around like my temples, because that is where my hair is like a little thinner, so whatever. Also, I don't have very full hair. Like, my hair isn't very thick, you guys, so sometimes these don't really work for me. So you're gonna definitely need some tension, especially if your hair is thinner. My hair is very thin. Trying to make sure I tell people that. Someday, the ones that get it. The ones that don't. But I have very thin hair, you guys. So this middle piece here, I don't know if that is going to even stay, because let me see if I can hook it that way. I'm going to go ahead and tighten it. So it can stay in place. I'm gonna flip my hair. I have already went in and kind of like drenched this a little bit, and I let it air dry, but it is a little wet. So I guess this is like the natural curl pattern of this wig unit. It is pretty afro curly, you guys, so I'm going to wet it a little bit more. Okay, so I'm taking this spray bottle. It has nothing in there but water. I'm just spritzing my hair down. As you guys can see on this side here, the curls are still a little clumpy, and it's simply because I did not curl define my hair. I drenched it in water, but I did not curl define it, so I had to break the curls up on that side here with my brush. If you guys are looking for any of the products that I use in my hair videos or the previous ones, you can always find them in my Amazon storefront. But I find it very important to curl define your hair so that you can see the true texture of your wig and see what you're working with, you know, like, and get the full density, you know, the fullness of the actual hair. So I'm just breaking up the curls and things of that such. Now, when it comes to like blending this hair, I did have to do some tucking and hiding that you guys did not see on camera. I have very thin hair, like I said at the beginning of this hair video, so when it comes to half wigs and U parts and V parts, it kind of is a struggle for me, because you're kind of battling with like how much hair you want to take out, is it going to cover it, just all of these different types of things. And then you also want to use your baby hair but if you use your baby hair, then you're taking away from your hairline, so it looks like you're bald, you have bald spots. It's just like all these things, right? So I just tried my best to blend it as best as I possibly could, and I just did it with the hard bristle brush, and I teased my natural hair into the half wig, and that's how I blended my hair, you guys. This is a afro curly texture, like I stated before, and you are going to have to manage this. You're going to have to put a little bit more work in to manage this hair, because it is afro curly. It's not lax at all. It's very puffy. Luckily it's in 20 inches, so it's not really that long in my opinion. However, it is very, very, very curly and poofy as well. So just keep that in mind, because I know that there's a lot of people who just don't really want to manage curly hair, and if you are not into curly hair, I do not recommend this texture at all. Another thing that I would say about this wig unit is, because I have thin hair, I prefer to have clips in my wig units than combs. For me, because my hair is thin, combs, there's nothing for the combs to hold on to. Like, it's literally like I'm struggling to put the combs in. I need clips for my half wigs, V-part wigs, and things of that such. So I don't know if you are into half wigs and stuff like that. I highly recommend that you guys get wigs that have the clips in them. However, if you have very full hair, full density hair at that, you would not have any problems with the combs at all. Just make sure that you like have some tension, maybe using some dirty hair. I don't know, but it just kind of took me some time to, you know, clip this wig in or make sure that it was like a hold on it. And then I did tighten this wig unit as well. However, when I did go in to tighten it, it kind of pulled the wig back. So that's why I'm saying I prefer clips over combs. So that's it. That's all. I did a little bit of baby hairs, you guys, did a little bit of teasing, and that's pretty much it with this wig unit. Highly recommend you guys just tease your hair into the wig unit. You can definitely cut this hair as well to frame your face a little better. However, I just kind of kept it how it was or how it came, and that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think of my blend. I did have to tease it a lot. It's a lot of that I didn't show in this video. But that's it. That's all. Let me know your thoughts for this hair video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.